Today we're out for a drive in our 2018 Ram 3500 6.7 with the Aisin transmission. This here actually has BD's new Roadmaster replacement transmission, and we've been shaking it down here for quite a few miles and thought we'd get some footage of it today. So Roadmaster, for those that aren't familiar in the BD lineup, is essentially your stock replacement transmission that's been minorly improved, upgraded in the areas that are common failure points in the stock OE transmission. So they're very similar to stock, budget friendly, but we've addressed key areas there. So the Roadmaster Aisin transmission, we've addressed some key areas of failure we found in the cores. The number one being the K2 hub in the OE. They wear quite significantly in the splines and cause the clutches to sometimes bind up and wear out prematurely. So we have a process where we replace the outer hub by machining a brand new outer hub and welding it on, and then nitrating it for hardness and longevity, which allows the new hub to last a lot longer, have a longer service life. We've increased the line pressure ever so slightly just to help in clutch life throughout all the shifts. And also we spent a bunch of time testing different clutch materials to make sure that the transmission shift quality and driver feel is as close to OE as possible. And that being said, it is a Roadmaster. You are buying a transmission that should be very close to your stock transmission, but improved and give you that feeling of increased reliability. This particular Roadmaster, just like others, comes with a deep sump oil pan. In this case, holds 4 extra quarts of oil, and we've also paired that up with ProForce torque converter, like in our other transmissions. So a nice quality remanufactured torque converter to go along with it. So you're getting really good value in your Roadmaster transmission over just a stock rebuild. Just like all BD transmission packages, the torque converter and transmission are dynoed in-house together before being crated up and shipped out to the customer. If you're interested in the Aisin Roadmaster transmission, please check it out at bddiesel.com.